Can't even begin to tell you how excited I am to share this unboxing with you. This tech is incredible. Buckle up. Let's get it.
Yes. Eater.
Introducing the Rokid Station and Rokid AR glasses. This is a 215-inch OLED display, 1080p with 120 Hz refresh rate, a gorgeous, smooth, vibrant display, which is simply breathtaking. The Rokid Max and Rokid Station combo brings the Android TV experience to your pocket. I'm so impressed by this Rokid Station. It is a TV in your pocket with a menu, apps, and so much more. This is a full screen TV in your pocket. When I go traveling, are you kidding me? I'm gonna be sitting there on the plane like a boss lot, just sitting there laid back, watching a full screen cinema, my own pocket cinema. And then when you want to throw these lenses on, this is where you have your personal experience. Locks in and you really feel immersed in your own personal cinema. This is crazy. Now this is what it looks like if you were looking at me on outside. The Rokid AR Max glasses are simple plug and play, USB-C to USB-C connection. So if you want to connect it to your laptop, you can. You could connect it to your Steam Deck, Switch, PlayStation 5, phone, and so much more. If you're wondering what it sounds like, it's pretty impressive.